What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Venus Airsoft. Today we have some special gameplay from Battalion Airsoft in Jacksonville, Florida. Today we're playing Indoor CQB with my new gun. I got a Krytac Rec 7 DI SRB or something like that, short barrel, SBR. Yeah, it's a great gun. Bought it here at the store, and I'm going to take it out on the field to use it. After we're done with that, we'll go ahead and play some SpeedQB matches, some tournament-style airsoft. It was a whole lot of fun coming out here, and I can't wait to come back out again. The staff are here, are amazing. All the players are super friendly. Everybody was shooting within limits. I could feel all my shots were definitely under 400 FPS. Overall, just a great field to play at. And I really want to commend the guys who run that field because they do a great job. Anyways, guys, we're going to jump right into this gameplay. Like, comment, and subscribe, and ring that bell to get all the notifications.
On your right side. Good shit, bro. Good shit.
Flag score 25 points. Each player wins 5 points. Put the flag to the other person's square that they start off of. You get 50 points. So then that accumulates to 100 points. And yeah,
Are we doing points or
everybody out.
I'm gonna go to that black right down the side. I'm going to the green.
SpeedQB on my whistle.
Not too early. Watch your head. 2 on back right, back right. Watch your head. Right side, right side. Hit. Good push.
Good push. You say halt? What's going on? Yeah, but he blew the whistle. That's kind of not fair.
I mean, he's not wrong. Yeah, that's why we're all standing here like, why do you call it? It wasn't over. It was one, right?
Changing! You need a mag? Fuck. That's all I got. Make the push, make the push. All right.
Let's go.